Hey everybody, Jerome, B.F.A.M cooking. You know what this is. We're going back to basics. That's right. Mashed potatoes. I'm trying to give you a simpler, easier way to do it than the previous one I did that was sous vide whipped potatoes. So I'm going to try and speed it up by using the microwave. And yeah, anybody loves a microwave potato. I mean, what do you do with a microwave potato? You need a ricer for this though. I think the best mashed potatoes is when they're smooth. That's right, smooth potatoes is what we're living with. Some butter, you'll need a stick and a half, and generally about 4 Yukon Gold, my favorite potatoes, about softball size to make enough for a family of 4. Or a Jerome and a Cindy and father-in-law. Anyway, so what we're doing is we're making quick mashed potatoes for you, coming right up. That'll be with chives and butter. Check it out.